Namaste, welcome to Home Hashtag Life, and in today's video I am going to share with you our living room and dining room tour. Let me give you a before picture first. The clips you are watching, it's from before renovation. And I hope that you have seen this area. I have already shared our living room wash basin area tour, and this space is our living room sitting area. This is our main door or main entrance. There you can see electric box, and just right after entering our house there is a big window which let the space have plenty of natural light. We decided to have our TV cabinet on this wall, but as you can see there were no electric points, so we had to do huge electrical renovation as well. For the false ceiling, we wanted to go for wood paneling rather than go with rafters or 3 to 4 inches false ceiling for the entire space. And I must say, this wood panel looks so beautiful and make the space more cohesive. Also, we did wood panel frame for each door and in these two main area dividers, which has really enhanced the look of the space. I really want to suggest to pay attention to small detailings to create ambience for small apartments. For us, two main reason to buy this apartment is the balcony view. So we decided to break down this entire windows and door so that we can go for a sliding door system. It also impacts massively in terms of the view. We really enjoy this beautiful nature and its view every day. For TV cabinet, I wanted to create a space which can be multifunctional. As you can see that this apartment layout doesn't have any foyer or entryway, so I designed this entire unit to hold our bags, shoes and all other outgoing essentials. Coming to the next, above the TV cabinet, I have added one shelf with the help of this beautiful copper brackets. It has added so much character rather than just to have like this simple shelf system. Also for the back, I went for same wood paneling, and as I always told you, to make a small space look bigger, just go higher while you are designing your space. It makes huge difference and create visual illusion for a bigger space. For the TV cabinet top, we placed a white quartz above that. Also, we covered the electric box outlet to make it look little nicer. I have chosen this brass carving handles and knobs. Above that, the deco paint detailing matches the white quartz top beautifully. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section down below. I have chosen this beautiful clamp and holder to hold the curtain rod in our living room and dining room. As our dining chairs needed a refabrication due to stains and wear out condition, I have selected this beautiful bird print fabric for 4 chairs upper cover and did little mix and match for rest of the 2 chairs upper cover. Selected a darker shade to help this print pop out nicely, and this print really gives me a pleasing ambience in our dining area. I hope all this information which I have shared will be useful for you. For any query, leave them in comment section below. Now let me give you our living and dining room tour. Hope you will enjoy watching it. If you have enjoyed our living and dining room tour video, then do not forget to like it. Also share your thoughts in comment section below. Share the video to support our channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.